everyone, Mackenzie at SoundTraxx here, and today I'm going to show you how to use coupon codes on our website. So let's get started. So I'm on our website, SoundtTraxxcom, using the Safari browser right now, and I'm going to navigate to the products page. And here I am going to click on Tsunami 2, and I'm just going to add a TSU 1100 to my cart. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. You can see that before I add it to my cart, I have to choose my sound profile. So I'm going to say that I have a Steam model, so I'm going to add Steam TSU 1100 to my cart. Now from here, I can hit the X and I can continue shopping. I can proceed to checkout, or I can view my cart. I'm going to start by viewing my cart, which you can do by clicking View My Cart or by clicking the cart icon in the upper right hand corner. When you're viewing your cart, you can go ahead and add your shipping information in to get an estimate on your shipping cost. And you can also add your coupon code or your gift certificate. You can add your shipping info. So we're going to go with Colorado, where our office building is. And we're going to estimate shipping. And we're going to just pick the economy shipping and update our shipping cost. So now we've got a cost in here for shipping, and we can go ahead and add our coupon code or gift certificate. We have a coupon code for free shipping, so we are going to enter in 722 ship, which gives us free shipping for the week leading up to the 4th of July this year. And we're going to hit apply. And you can see that we have our shipping discount now. So we can continue to check out and add our payment information and place our order. I'm going to remove our coupon code right now. If you had not viewed your cart before going to checkout and you had just hit that checkout button, you would arrive at our checkout page and you can check out as a guest or sign in, and then you can enter all of your shipping information and then your billing and payment information. But before you hit checkout, you want to make sure you look at this order summary over here on the right hand side. It tells you your subtotal, how much shipping and tax you're being charged. And then if you had not already added your coupon code, you can click on coupon code or gift certificate here, and you can type in that coupon code here to receive your discount. You want to make sure that you're seeing your discount in your order summary before you hit pay. So now that we're seeing our discount, we can go ahead and fill out this shipping and payment information and place our order. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions about how to use our website or how to use any of our products, you can always reach us at support@SoundtTraxxcom.